Hey guys, my name is Stephanie Menadi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna showing you real quick how you can make a juice with carrots and ginger, turmeric, also lime and lemon. So this is my carrots. I'm gonna wash it, and after that I'm gonna peel it and cut it very small pieces so I can blend everything together. I will do the same thing for the ginger and also the turmeric. I will wash them and peel them, cut them very small to blend everything together. So right now I have my carrots and I have my peeler. So I'm gonna peel my carrots real quick, as you can see, and I will cut the head and also the bottom of it. So you don't want this part, and you will need a strainer to strain it after that because you will find a lot of chunk after you finish to blend it. It will be like a very good and healthy juice. You can do some research about the ginger, the carrots, also the turmeric. You will see all the health benefits that they do bring. So I have my ginger right now. I am peeling my ginger. You can just use a bread knife. It's super easy, and after that I will cut it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Please do so. And for those of you who already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am so thankful for you. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for the love and the support. So continue to share my videos and comment and like. Let me know if you're watching. So now we have the turmeric, the cucumber. So you wanna very um wash it, like take your time to wash it because it's just the roots. They're just a little dirty. You need so much water to clean them before you peel them because it's gonna be for juice. Remember that it has to be very clean first. So the turmeric has a very strong color. You can see my hands, it's very yellow. Okay, so you have to be careful. Just use gloves to cut them when you're doing this. Even the knife, oh my goodness, but I love this juice. So right now I have everything clean and peeled, so we're gonna cut them. I have my lime and lemon, carrots, ginger, and turmeric. So we are just cutting it so we can blend everything together. I will add a half cup of sugar. You probably don't need that much. Okay, we're gonna taste it to see if it needs more. We're not gonna just pour everything at once. And also this juice you can make it with evaporated milk, like conditioned milk or any kind of milk that you have. You can use it to make it, but in my case I'm gonna use water because I have a friend here. um she doesn't like milk. She cannot milk because she's allergic to dairy, so she cannot have it. So that's why I'm using water, but it's also good, so you can use water or you can use milk. You have choice, it's optional. Okay, right now we're gonna blend everything together. Okay, and after we blend it we're gonna strain it like twice, and we will add the lime and the lemon and some white essence to give it like more flavor. And then once you have this juice, you will find like a very nice taste of ginger, like a nice kick in it, like so good. Please try it. Okay, we're almost done. Be patient. So we're just straining it, and after that we're gonna just add the lime and the lemon. Make sure you leave just half of the lime to garnish the cup that you are about to serve the juice with. Just make it like more pretty. Okay, just half of lime and lemon and a piece of carrot. to just garnish your cup. All right, we're almost done. Okay, so that's the lime, and you can add like a little pinch of salt in it too. That's good for you. And now we're just gonna add the white essence and the a little bit of sugar because I tasted, I see that it needs more sugar. So it was a pleasure to be with you today, guys. I am super excited. I hope you like this video, and please like and share and comment. Let me know and make sure you try it at home. It's super good and it's good for your health. You can do some research and then you will see how good those kind of ingredients are. They really important. They play a good role. Alright, see you next time for another video. Bye. Love you guys. Beautiful. Beautiful.